Common functional accessories assembly. Common functional accessories include drawer, lattice pullout, aluminum pant pullout, self pullout, metal basket, ransom basket, shoes rack, pant pullout, Sri Lanka rotary basket. Drawer assembly. A drawer box consists of side panels, drawer front, bottom panel, back panel, and front panel. Drawer box assembly. Firstly, drive cam bolts into the front panel and side panels. Pick out the back panel. Attach both side panels to the back panel. Turn cams to fasten it. Insert the bottom panel into the grooves. Insert the front panel and turn cams to fasten it. Drawer assembly. Inside the carcass, find pre-drilled holes for the drawer slide. Attach the slide to side panels by screws. There are 2 rows by 2 columns of holes in the slide. For the front column, choose the hole as shown. Similarly, for the back column, choose the hole as shown. After installing the slide, push the drawer box into the slide. Then install the drawer handle. Note: Blum slide has full extension and half extension types. For full extension slides, an extra clip should be installed beneath the drawer, bottom near the drawer front. However, half extension slide has no clip. For 3-section slide, there are also 2 rows by 2 columns holes. Always choose the second hole to drive screws. Lattice pullout assembly. Find the pre-drilled holes for the lattice pullout. Attach the slide to the side panel by screws. After installing the slide, push the lattice pullout into the slide directly. Pant pullout assembly. Inside wardrobe carcass, we can find pre-drilled holes. Firstly, pull the first section out from the 3-section slide as shown. Using 3.5 by 12 mm self-driving screws, attach both first sections to both side panels of pant pullout. Next, we attach the slide to wardrobe side panels. Choose the holes as shown. Drive screws to attach the slide to side panels. Align the pant pullout with the slide. Push it into the slide to locks. Ransom basket assembly. Firstly, pull out the slide. Attach the slide to side panels by screws. After installing the slide, insert the basket frame into the slide. Push and pull the basket frame to make sure it is level. Pull the basket frame out and hand the rattan basket into the frame hooks. The front end of basket should be flush with the front ends of side panels. After completed, make sure there is 15 to 20 mm distance between the basket bottom and bottom panel as shown. Pull and push the basket to check if it is level. 3 layers rotary basket assembly. As shown on the bottom panel, go in 50 mm in the diagonal line and mark it. Mark it on its shelf in the same way. Place all basket parts on the carpet. Insert the loosened plastic bearing into the main pole. Insert the bottom basket onto the bearing. Turn screws to fasten the bearing. Install another 2 baskets in the same way. Align the 3 basket openings in the same direction. Insert the top pole into main pole as shown. Place the assembled basket into corner carcass. Fix the bottom and top pole by screws. Adjust the bearings to average the distance of the 3 baskets. Finally, adjust the basket openings to be outward. Special functional accessory assembly. Clothes hanging rod. Extensible ironing board. Dressing mirror. Ornament hanger. Clothes elevator. Built-in safe box. Clothes hanging rod assembly. Inside the carcass front the top, mark the vertical midline of side panel. In the midline, measure 80 mm downward to get a cross point as shown. Take this point as hole position. And drive a 3.5 by 16 mm self-driving screw into this hole to fix the rod base. Drive another screw below and make both screws are vertical. Insert both plastic caps through into the rod. Rotate the rod to ensure its skid-proof side upward. Tap the rod into the base. Cover the rod base with cap. Fix the other side in the same way. Extensible ironing board assembly. Mark the midpoint of bottom panel as shown. Fix the door panel by screws. Along the midpoint, go in 20 mm to secure the ironing board. Cover with the top panel and fix it by turning caps. Pull out the ironing board to check if it can be used. Dressing mirror assembly. As shown, measure the distance between the slide hole to the front end. Loosen the top and bottom screws to take off the slide. Place the mirror on the carpet. Now measure on the side panel to locate the installation position. From the front end of side panel, go in 40 mm and mark a point as screw hole. Draw a horizontal line along with the hole to ensure the mirror will be installed horizontally. Measure the total height of the slide. According to the height, draw the lower horizontal line. Fix the slide by screws. Fix the mirror with the upper slide by turning the highlighted 3 screws. Repeat to fix the lower part. After completed, pull and push to ensure the mirror runs smoothly. Ornament hanger assembly. According to the drawing, to locate the installation position firstly, Inside the carcass, go downwards 120 to 130 mm from the top as shown, and draw a horizontal line. Secure the hanger base by screws. Leave 10 mm distance between the front ends of the hanger and side panel. Close this elevator assembly. Inside the carcass from the top, go downwards 80 mm to mark the horizontal pole position. Remember, elevator shall average the side panel horizontally. Mark this midpoint. Place the closest elevator into position. Secure the base to side panel by screws. Cover the base with decorative caps. Pull and push to make sure it is okay. Built-in safe box assembly. Take out the outer casing firstly. Measure to locate its bracket position. Fix bracket to side panel. Place the outer casing onto the brackets. Secure the outer casing to side panels by screws. Push the safe box into the slide of outer casing. Try to use it. Input password to check if door can automatically open, and to push the door to check if it can close automatically.